Welcome to a video on loan repayments. So firstly, to pay off a loan requires a recursive method. So first step is to work out the rate, and it's based on the compounded period. So whether it's compounded monthly, fortnightly, yearly, you've got to work out the rate first. Secondly, the bank charges interest, and we're going to treat it as a percentage increase, which is 100% plus the compounded percentage. And thirdly, once they've added the percentage or the interest, you're then going to subtract the payment. Usually this is an unknown amount, and we'll call it M in this case. So let's have a look. You're going to borrow $300,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded monthly. And at the end of every month, you're going to make instalments of M dollars for 20 years. And our aim is to find the amount of each instalment. So note we've highlighted compounded monthly. So the rate is currently 12% per annum, so that equates to 1% per month, giving us interest of 100% plus the 1%, which is 101% or 1.01. So this is the rate we're going to times at the end of each month to find the interest. And the length of time is 20 years, which is 240 months. So at the end of the first month, the bank charges interest and then you make your repayment. So remember, we started with 300,000 times that percentage increase, 1.01, minus the M, the monthly repayment. Don't work out the 300,000 times 1.01 unless you're actually asked. And that will be to prove something in a question, as this forms part of a pattern, leaving it in that form. So at the end of the second month, the bank charges interest again, but this time on what you had left at A1, and then you make your payment. So you can see that A2 is what was left at A1 times 1.01 minus your monthly repayment. Replace the A1 with what we got before. So A2 is 300,000 lots of 1.01 minus M. All of that times 1.01 minus the repayment. So expanding brackets, we get 1.01 squared, then 1.01 M, and then minus M. So if we look at a pattern, A1 was 300,000 times 1.01, A2 was 300,000 times 1.01 squared, so A3 will be 300,000 times 1.01 cubed. The monthly subtraction, A1 was minus M, A2 was minus 1.01 M minus M, so A3 is going to be minus 1.01 squared M minus 1.01 M minus M. And if I factorise those last three terms and take minus M out the front, I get 1 plus 1.01 plus 1.01 squared. So let's now continue this, and let's skip a few. Let's go right down to the end. So we go all the way down to A240, which is the final payment, 240 months. So our power at the start is 240, so it's 300,000 times 1.01 to the power of 240, minus M, and our pattern goes up to 1.01 to the 239. Note, when you make your last payment, that's it, everything's paid off, so you've got nothing left. The other thing is, what was in the brackets is a GP, where A is the first term, 1, R is the rate of increase, 1.01, and N is the length of time, which is 240. So putting this into an equation, so we've got that first part, minus M lots of, and then that's the sum of a GP, 1 outside of 1.01 to the 240 minus 1, all over 1.01 minus 1. Because I've got 0 on the left, I'm going to add the M with what we calculated as the sum of the GP. So we get 989.255 times M equals 300,000 times 1.01 to the 240. Divide by the 989.255. And our monthly repayments are $3,303.26. Thank you.